Morning, good morning. Look like we got news today, which is good. What's up? Morning, Brandon. Taking a look at see what we got here today. Gold has found its support on the daily. Not sure how long that's going to hold. Maybe that'll be news. Something like so. Feels like the weekend was forever. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Sandrika. Good morning, Salim. Look at the Dixie. What the Dixie's doing today. Dixie looks like it's pushing bullish. We shall see. Shall see if that holds. All right. Everybody have a good weekend, guys. Good morning. Yeah, it looks like GU faked out pretty good last night. Take a look at it here in just a minute. I jumped up for that. Let's just stick with this one. Stick with that. Looks like a little wedge is for money. Well, probably broke that wedge already. 30-minute. 30-minute action. Yeah, this is GU over here. Pumped out, especially in the 1 hour, is much clearer to see. And then when it came right back inside, stochastic RSI at the very high, and it went all the way down to the, I'm not sure if it made it to the other zone. It made it to the trend line, the width of the trend line. I think it might have touched the zone that I left last night. Can't be sure. I still paid out about 35 pips. Better than 1-to-1. It's pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Take a look at this a little closer. I don't know if the music is loud for you guys, but kind of loud to me. Big rejection on the daily on GU. Barely holding bullish. Nice doji candle at the top zone there on the 4 hour. It bounced from the trend line, bounced from the, I think my trend line is a little different on the setup that I sent. This is adjusted. Yeah, I don't know that that's trend line's gonna hold. Everybody had a good weekend, guys? Oh, that's good to know, Reese. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I'm not involved in any of that, but sorry to hear. Technical stuff can often go bad. I know we have a team of people working on all that. Trying to see if my heat wave is working over here, but it don't look like it is. Okay, working now. Looks like the 30 minutes forming resistance. Created support. See if that resistance holds. Morning, Clay. Perhaps a bearish flag forming on gold there. Already formed. Did I miss it? I know we have one here. Drop, bounce. Maybe a tiny little flag forming here, maybe. Not quite sure. But the bounce is barely holding. See what it does. Monday, taking it easy. Don't think I'll be here tomorrow, guys. I have a doctor's appointment in the morning. Let me see if I can see the time here. I think it's at 8 in a bit. Wait a minute, is today a bank holiday? Well, by golly, it is a bank holiday today. Shoot, could have slept. Could have slept. I could have rested today, man. It's a bank holiday. I may have to shut it down. We'll see. We'll hang in here for a little bit because I have a meeting later on this morning. And tomorrow tomorrow there's heavy news, right? Tomorrow's a heavy news day. If I'm right, let me check. At what time? At 10 a.m. 11:30, 12, 10 a.m. But like I mentioned, I have a doctor's appointment, so which I don't see in my calendar. Hold on. I know I have it. Yeah, I have an 8:45 doctor's appointment tomorrow morning. So I won't be here tomorrow. And today's Columbus Day. But we do have class tonight, and I got a good one. I got a good one. I spent quite a few hours on that one, I say. Possibly the longest presentation I've done ever. So I'm gonna go right into it right away. Tonight, that is. Yeah, the only move last night was that fake out. Unless you took the breakout. If you took the breakout, you got 25 pips or so last night. Remember, we called the breakout from the breakout line. So 26 pips breakout last night within the 1 and the 2 a.m. candle. The 3 a.m. candle reversed the action and took it to the other side. And with the stochastic RSI, you could have taken that reversal to the downside. Yeah, I may be shutting it down, guys, because I don't want to get into bad habits. I mean, there's nothing to look forward to. The New York is not going to open. Stock market is going to be closed. Left to the market manipulators. So I may be calling it here in the next 15 minutes. I don't want to get caught in consolidation moves, thinking it's going to break out, fakes out, and then stays back inside. So finish my apple, I finish my plum, call it a day. Awesome, Clay. Savion, let's take a look at gold is rejecting. Not that it's, I mean, this is no brainer, right? This is a no brainer here. When you consider the daily, that's a daily. And look at the previous daily. Look at that rejection. So this is not a surprise that it's coming down. But without the help of the US dollar pushing it, can it go? Talking about the banks being closed. That means that banks all around the world don't have cash reserves. They have US reserves, and so they're moving money. Don't mean that you and I should be in the markets. You get me. I think you get me. Let's look at GJ. Big move, bullish like crazy on the daily. Broke the trend line we had there before. 4 hour, still pushing. One hour, it's been going on and on and off, up, so not much to do. Still 1 hour. Let's create a resistance. We have support. I've been enjoying that billions. Maybe that's what I'll do today. Well, other than rest. I should catch a nap. I do have that meeting later on. This is the look of the 30-minute. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Keep an eye on the bigger picture. Where's it at? Be some sort of rejection here. Rejection happening right now at the same spot where it had bounced from before. That's a golden zone from the previous drop. So I anticipate rejection from here. This is that rejection. Perhaps a continuance to the downside. As a correction of this whole move. That was a 23.6 bounce. But again, it's that supply, so I will be biased for sales. So gold is basically consolidating. I mean, it made a bounce from the zone, bottom zone, went up, came back down. A quick look at GA. GA started bearish, strong bearish. Those wicks up here. That's a big problem for any buyer. These wicks, that's a strong resistance right there, but a much stronger support. So support could hold. That's GU for you with a trend line up here. Into the bounce. Cute doji there at the bottom. Yeah, we could sit here for hours and watch this thing just go up and down, up and down. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm microing the whole thing. Everybody have a good weekend, by the way. I asked that, but I don't know. Yes, Evan, no live tomorrow. Got to go to the doctor tomorrow morning. Risk management. Risk management has to do with, for me, where is structure if price reverses against me? Where's structure if price reverses against me? So for example, if I'm taking a sell here, if I'm taking a sell here and it's already proven to be resistance, then obviously that's my out. My stop loss will be right above that, right? So that's very minimal with a take profit down here. I could put a massive lot size here, and if it takes me out, it's still underneath my daily max loss, okay? If I'm taking a sell here, down here, anticipating it's gonna break out, then my stop loss is still, it's gonna be up here. That's huge. So I cannot take a large position down here for a sell if I'm anticipating a breakout, okay? Once I have established resistance and support, it's easier to take. For example, here's another one, another good example. Price is coming, and based on prior structure and prior price action, maybe I'm anticipating it's going to bounce. Okay, so this stops, this one comes back up, closes. If I'm playing it on the 30-minute, then that's my entry, right? That's my entry for a buy. My stop loss goes down here. And depending on how wide, how many pips that is and all that, then I decide what kind of lot size I'm going to go in on, risking no more than 3%. Sometimes more. If you're feeling it, sometimes more. But risk management has to do with your psychology. I'm going to talk about that tonight. I don't know who's here in the class. Topic for tonight is becoming a disciplined trader. And I think he's going to find it informative. Roberto, buenos días. I know you like them cryptos, Billy. You keep asking about cryptos. Bitcoin is ripping up. I think gold is breaking today. I don't know how. Maybe there's Aussie news. Yeah, the Aussie is really strong right now. The Aussie is really strong, so maybe there's Aussie news. Oh, wow. Gold gap down on that last opening. Wow, I've completely missed that gap. That was a big gap. Let's see if it continues. On the 7 a.m. candle, gold gapped. Like 12 pips. Oh, on that topic of becoming a disciplined trader, it's a bank holiday. Shouldn't be trading. I'm shutting it down. This is how much broadcast I have left right here. The market will be there for us when we come back. It's not going anywhere. Now, there is an urgency when you're going after your dreams because you only have so much time left in life, right? But that doesn't mean you go crazy into a fight when the odds are against you. You know, the Bible says nobody goes into war without first figuring out if they have the resources to engage the enemy and win the battle. You know, if you don't have the forces to engage the enemy, then you negotiate the terms of surrender. You negotiate the terms of the detente, right? You're not going to fight. But so we got to know when to be in the market, when not to be in the market, and on a bank holiday, especially U.S. bank being closed, with the pairs that I like to trade, excuse me, which is the USD, GBP USD, and gold. It don't make sense to me. I'm likely to see prices keep consolidating in here and eventually catching me on the wrong side of it. The probabilities are not on my side. And so with that, ladies and gents, I am going to shut down the broadcast. As I mentioned, I won't be here tomorrow because I have a doctor's appointment. And Wednesday, let me think about that. Wednesday. I don't think I can be here either. I'll leave a message. It's going to be a very short week for me. Shoot, after NFP last week. It's a nice bounce from gold in this area. Never made it down here, but it gapped down like it wanted to come. It's exactly what I don't want to get engaged in. So I will let you. I will leave a post or something if I'm not gonna make it on Wednesday because I think I have something on the calendar. I will let you know. But I'll be in class tonight. I think again that you're going to enjoy the topic and the presentation. For those of you who are not in TTA and would like to be, let me leave you a link. Let me see if I can get to it real quick. I get back to this, kind of disappeared on me. Those of you who want to join an academy that has plenty of content, we have, again, 5 classes, live classes a week. You can ask the mentors directly. You also have an opportunity to meet one-on-one with them for an additional cost, which is not something that was even available to me in my other platforms that I was part of. So it's a great opportunity. There's the link, all right? And you don't have to have a you don't have to have a you don't have to be a part of the team to get yourself a one-on-one if you want to with any of the mentors. Although I think I'm the only one. Well, no, Kedus, myself, and heck, Greg are available. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be available, to be honest. On the one-on-ones, it's not a productive use of my time. But as long as I'm here available, you should take advantage of it. I'm looking for the link. If I can post it. Let's see, where is it? Let's see. Well, I must be touching the wrong button here. Hey, Tony. So that's the link for the one-on-ones. I believe that's the link for the one-on-ones. That will take you to the site. And again, you don't have to be a part of the team to catch yourself a one-on-one if you want. The cost is $100 per hour, and you get the video at the end so you can study it over and over. Okay, that's going to be it for today. Again, remember that it's a bank holiday. The US banks are closed. So the market, it's going to be not like usual. It's not how we know it. And knowing that, it's probably a good day not to be in the markets. Okay, if you do trade it, especially being a Monday, come on. If you do trade it, use small lot sizes. Again, back to risk management. Just in case you get caught on the wrong side of things, you don't get badly hurt. Okay, that's going to be it for right now, and I will see everybody in class tonight. Those of you who are part of TTA. Right, we're going to start to share and close this baby up. God bless you. Bye-bye.